Today I'll be walking you through on how to create or design t-shirt, hoodie, and mug designs, okay, on Canva, which you use to create your products on some online stores such as Spreadshop, Spring, Shopify, and Fourthwall. So follow me as I put you through on how you can complete this simple task. Okay, the first step you need to take is to open your web browser. Then visit canva.com and log in. Here I have logged in already, so follow along and log in on your Canva account. Then click on this search area and then type t-shirt. You can see some suggestions here, so press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to search. This returns a lot of pre-design for us. Remember, though we are using t-shirt to search, at the end, what you are going to create will be applied to other mockups, including mugs, t-shirts, caps, and some other designs. Okay, so it's not a barrier. So let's select one of these. So let's work with this. Then I'll click on customize this template. You can see here there are some designs being displayed to us. I can select this. Okay, then I will edit the text. So what I want to have here is software money as the write-up on my design. Okay, so I'll edit this text. So double click on the text and type in your own text. Okay, and drag this in. Then I'll reduce the font size. So as a tech channel content creator, so what I want to create here is in accordance with technology, okay? So software money, just to tell people that there is money in software, okay? So the text here is money because as you're watching, I'm teaching you how to do some things with computers, so it's cool. So I can click on this and drag it up. I can click on this backspace key to remove it, remove this one as well, remove this one. Okay, so I can drag this down. So now I'm done with changing up this text. So I need to go and bring a graphics to represent what I'm trying to say, the message I'm trying to pass across to the potential buyers. So I will be using AI to generate an image to add here. Okay, so if you use Windows PC, probably Windows 11, look at this bottom right area where you have this logo. This is Copilot. Okay, you can use ChatGTP, you can use any other AI software or program. Okay, so I'll click on this and then tell this what I want to generate. So here I say represent people learning software graphically. What you're going to ask the AI to present to you is depending on what illustration you want to create. Okay, the content of your design. So after this, I'll press the submit. So this AI tool will now generate the image I need for this. Okay, you can see the AI has returned some options on designs. If I click on each of them, it will become full screen. Okay, so then I can download. But look at the button here, it says show them sitting at computer. So it is suggesting some additional things for me. If I don't like this, I should select any of these options for it to add additional feature in the design. Okay, but for the purpose of time, I think we are good with this. So let me click on this. Okay, so this opens a page like this. Okay, showing people learning some programs. Okay, maybe they are programmers, potential programmers. So I can download this by clicking on download button. I can even select any of these options here, but let me just go with this. All right, the file is downloaded, so I can take a look at some other ones. From there, I may pick any option, but let's work with the one I have already. Okay, back to Canva. So let's now go and upload the design. So I'll click on uploads, click on upload file, downloads, then click on this. and open. The file is now imported here, so I'll click on it. Then I'll drag it down here. I can make it bigger or make it smaller. Okay, I need to make it smaller here. Okay, so these guys are learning software, and at the end they will make money because there's money in software. Yeah. So as I have added this image here, I can click on it again and then make some adjustments by clicking here. Then border weight, can increase this as well. Then here I can change the color. Okay, can go with this. I can go with something different. We have green there, so I can go with green. Can go with this. So it depends on what you want to do. Just give it a little touch. Okay. 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 So I'm good. So I have this simple design that I will use to create my mockups, my products. So the next step, just give this a name. So let's say typography t-shirts. Then I'll click on share and then download, download. Okay, so this has been downloaded. So with this, you can use it to create your products on some of the online stores. Okay, the online stores can be Spreadshop, it can be Spring, it can be Shopify, it can be Fourthwall. So any of them we sell. Okay, so but here for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to work with Spreadshop. But before we proceed to Spreadshop, there's something I would like us to do. I would like us to upgrade the resolution of our design that we just downloaded, so that at the end, when it's printed out with the products we are going to place it on, it will be of high quality. So there is an application I use here. It's called Upscale. Search for Upscale AI. Look at it here, Upscale AI. Okay, you can see upscale.com.org. So get to this website, download and install the program. I've already installed it on my PC, so we are going to work with the one I have on my PC already. Okay. So here, look at it here. So I will click on it and then import this design we created to increase the resolution. So click on select image. Then look at the design we created on Canva. I'll click on it and click on open. Then the next step is click on upscale, okay, for it to increase the resolution. So give it time for it to finish the job. And once it finish upgrading this resolution, it will save it automatically in your downloads folder or any folder where you pick the design from. Okay. So from there, we continue. Okay, you can see our design have been upgraded in terms of resolution. So let's go to the File Explorer and see how it appears. So I'll click on File Explorer app, then I'll click on Downloads. Okay, look at what we just upgraded now. So I can click on it, wait for a few seconds and click again to change the name, kind of, okay? So I can have it as typical. So let me just add for X to the name. Okay, that's all. Enter key. So let's now get back to our browser and get to Spreadshop, which we are going to use for this. Visit spreadshop.com. So once you're on this page, click on login and log into your account. All right. If you don't have an account, just click on open a Spreadshop. Okay, and then follow the on-screen guide. Okay. Though I have a video here where I explain how you can do that. Maybe I'll link it in the description section. Okay. So once you log in, we landed on an interface that looks like this, your dashboard area. Okay. Then click on this tab, which is Design tab. Will be placed here displaying all your recent projects if you have been carrying out some projects. Okay, here we want to create a fresh project, so click on this plus sign here, then click on the upload design, then navigate to where you saved your design in the File Explorer. So I saved mine in downloads folder. Okay, look at it here. So I'll click on it and click on open. You can see our design have now be uploaded, so I'll click on this. On this new page, we are shown how this will apply across all the markups on this platform. Okay, you can see men's premium t-shirts, you can see men's slim fit t-shirts, a lot of them women premium t-shirt. That's the good side of this platform or Spreadshop platform. So one design will be applied across so many other mockups on the platform. Okay, you can see drawstring bag, you can see cast string mug. Okay, you can see contrasting mug. Okay, so you can see hoodie. If you want something more, if you want it to be applied to more products, just click on this all products section. So this will display some other products you can apply this on. Okay, for example, babies is not selected by default, so click on that for all to see some designs that goes across young kids. Okay, so you can click on this to turn this on, or if you want it to be turned on here, you can click on this for younger ones because some parents will like to get this for their kids. Okay, so turn on any one you like and then click on done button. Okay, so this is preview of some of the designs, how it would look in the shop. Then click on next. Then here describe this. Okay, so I can have this as software money. Okay, I can give you the name software money. All right, software money. Then here describe the content of these products, of the products this applies to. For the purpose of time, I will not go in detail, so I can come back here later and edit it. Okay, so because of time, no need of wasting time here. So maybe in the tax area, please add enough tax. Okay, because this will show in search engine. Are you getting it? So that's what people will use to discover this content. Okay, this product. So I can have it as women t-shirts. Okay, t-shirt. So just make your research and know some keywords that people search in respect to these products. Okay, babies wears. So I will leave it here. Later I'll come back and edit this information for the purpose of time so that we won't take much time here. So the next step you need to take is to hit the publish button. And now this is published and is made available on our shop. So for you to take a look, just click on this shop tab. Then you will see the preview here. So click on visit shop. Alright, so this is how my shop looks like. Then I can click on see more. Then scroll down because I have some existing products here. So you can see software money, the mug, you can see the babies wear, you can see for female, and a lot of them, a lot of them, a lot of them. Okay, so if you want to select special categories, you can come down to women or click on men. Again, hoodies and sweatshirts. Okay, you can see some of them, software money, and you can see this one. So that's simple. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology, including some YouTube tips. Okay, hit that like button for this video to be shared to more people by YouTube, and leave a comment in the comment section so that it will be ranked high. You can also share it with your friends so that they will know about this, so that they will know that there are some on-demand stores you can set up your products on. So once people make purchase, you make money from that. Okay, so it's a very educating guide. To learn on how to set up monetization on YouTube channel, watch this video. See you next time.